Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll do another one of these unboxing 4 random Hot Wheels cars type video. In this time, I got these 4 really cool old Hot Wheels cars from the 90s to early 2000s, specifically 2000 and 2004. Anyways, without further ado, let's unbox these bad boys. Okay, first we got Sho-stopper. Another one! You might remember this car from my other video, but this time I got one in a different tempo or different decoration. I believe this was from 2001 mainline. Alright, next one we got Jaded. This one is a 2002 first edition. I believe this car also appeared in one of the Hot Wheels video game, Hot Wheels Velocity X, as one of the unlockable cars. Up next, we got Off Track. Looking good with that bright orange color. I think this is the 2004 first edition. Very nice. Alright, let's unbox this one. And the last one, we got 1995 Camaro or Camaro convertible. Amazing looking car. It got 3-spoke wheels which fits perfectly into this car. And I think this car also available in a 5-pack. I think it's called G-Force Stunt Riders 5-pack or something. I don't know. Anyways, let's unbox this car.